colors do play.
Dog, Super Sentai, right? No people don't know Super Sentai are like the base layer inspiration for Power Rangers. And like when we in high school, when we first hear that shit, one nerd when we used to know, when we used to always a different group of people. I interact with different types of people. We used to interact with the emos, used to interact with the sports, some of the sports guy them man was assholes, but you don't know. Yeah, we have a few friends in them type of spaces. Right? And then the nerd them, our nerd up my nose say, yo, Power Rangers is not the original IP, you know. It's based off of goddamn Super Sentai. I couldn't believe it until actually this shit tough. This shit tough, like goddamn. And the whole color coded superhero thing, it just blew my mind. So I really them set the standard for my most of the superhero teams I will say right about now. Not even so fucking surprised if me end up learning say yo Stanley get him inspiration. I don't really too